Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this wonderfully compact and lightweight at only 15 pounds camping chair. But it's not just a camping chair. This is actually a dual seat camping chair, so it actually holds more than one person. Comes in a nice carrying case like this, which you can easily take with you if you're going to go out on a camping trip or with a van or an RV. Take it with you so that you can go out. Comes with a nice strap that secures everything in place. Undoing that, you can open this up all the way. It's extremely wide, almost 5 foot across the top and 41 inches across the bottom. Does have two nice deep pocketed seats. These pocketed seats each can hold 300 pounds apiece, so you can hold 600 pounds total across the whole thing, and you can have this extra be for a spouse, significant other, one of your kids, or possibly even a little pet to crawl up in here with you. This is a low slung chair, so it actually sits down at about 13.5 inches off the ground, so it allows for that to crawl up in here. It's got this really cool cup holder design that is actually a deep pocketed cup. It's insulated, but also has this divider. So if you have smaller cups down in there, you can do that, or you can spread it apart and put a larger cup down in there, and it's got plenty of room for the bigger cups as well. So when you're out here going to be camping or whatever and got your little pet out here with you or your significant other, it gives you plenty of room to get them off the ground so that you guys can enjoy your camping together. And whenever you're all done, it's easy to compact back together, but that's not all. We've also got pockets. They actually gave you two nice pockets back here in the back that you can easily put anything. They're ventilated pockets, so if you're going to the beach or something, sand can go through there, or you can put magazines, books, and things like that down there too. So a lot of cool, versatile designs of this. Super easy to put back together. Can easily be put back together by one person. Again, being as lightweight as it is, and having this strap allows us to go ahead and strap this whole thing together and then compact it back down, and you can carry it pretty much anywhere you want to go.